Welcome to Merit Mindset, where we test your knowledge.
Which telescope captured deep galaxy images? A. James Webb, B. Hubble, C. Kepler. Answer B. Hubble. Which galaxy contains a jet from its center, M87? A. Elliptical galaxy, B. Spiral galaxy, C. Irregular galaxy. Answer A. Elliptical galaxy. Redshift in galaxies indicates A. Cooling, B. Moving away, C. Explosion. Answer B. Moving away. Who proposed the expanding universe theory? A. Newton, B. Edwin Hubble, C. Einstein. Answer B. Edwin Hubble. What is the largest known type of galaxy? A. Dwarf, B. Elliptical, C. Spiral. Answer B. Elliptical. What keeps stars bound in a galaxy? A. Magnetism, B. Gravity, C. Electricity. Answer B. Gravity. What are spiral arms rich in? A. Old stars, B. Dark holes, C. Gas and young stars. Answer C. Gas and young stars. The Milky Way's diameter is about A. 1,000 light-years, B. 100,000 light-years, C. 10 million light-years. Answer B. 100,000 light-years. Which galaxy is known as the Black Eye Galaxy? A. M64, B. M31, C. M87. Answer A. M64. What is a supernova? A. New planet, B. Exploding star, C. Black hole. Answer B. Exploding star. Which instrument detects distant galaxies in infrared? A. James Webb, B. Voyager, C. Apollo. Answer A. James Webb. Galaxies formed shortly after A. Ice Age, B. Big Bang, C. Solar birth. Answer B. Big Bang. The Virgo cluster contains how many galaxies, approximately? A. 50, B. 1,500, C. 10. Answer B. 1,500. What is a dwarf galaxy? A. Small galaxy, B. Dead galaxy, C. Bright galaxy. Answer A. Small galaxy. Which galaxy is shaped like a sombrero hat? A. M104, B. M51, C. M33. Answer A. M104. What color are young hot stars? A. Red, B. Blue, C. Yellow. Answer B. Blue. What is cosmic microwave background evidence of? A. Galaxy birth. B. Black holes. C. Big Bang. Answer C. Big Bang. What is the name of our galaxy's spiral arm? A. Orion arm. B. Vega arm. C. Titan arm. Answer A. Orion arm. A galaxy merger results in A. Explosion only. B. New galaxy formation. C. Disappearance. Answer B. New galaxy formation. The Milky Way moves towards which galaxy? A. Andromeda. B. Sombrero. C. Cartwheel. Answer A. Andromeda.
Oh! Comment how many correct answers you guess.